Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at running a Red Hat Enterprise Linux VM in VirtualBox. To get started, navigate to developers.redhat.com and register for a new account, or log in if you already have one. Navigate to Customer Portal and then Downloads, then select Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 from the table. Scroll down and find the binary DVD option, then click the Download Now button to start the download. Now that we have the Red Hat installation ISO downloaded, launch VirtualBox Manager. Click the New button to create a new VM and call it RHEL 8. Set the machine folder as needed and make sure the type is Linux with the version of Red Hat 64-bit. Set the memory to at least 4 gigs, then select Create a Virtual Hard Disk Now, VDI, Dynamically Allocated, and set the size to at least 30 gigabytes. Then click Create. With the new VM selected, click the Settings button. Select System on the left navigation, then the Processor tab, and set the processors to at least 2. Then select Display and slide the video memory all the way to the right. Select Network from the left navigation, then set the Attach to bridged adapter. And finally, in the Storage options, click the empty CD drive, then browse to and select the downloaded Red Hat Enterprise installation ISO. Then click OK to save the settings and start the VM. Press Enter to select Install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. Press the Escape key to abort the disk check. Select the language, then click Continue. Click the Time and Date option in the menu, then set your time zone and click Done. Click the Installation Destination option in the menu. Make sure the VirtualBox hard disk is selected, then click the Done button. Click the Network and Hostname option in the menu. Make sure the Ethernet adapter is set to On, then set a hostname and click Apply. Once completed, click Done to return to the main menu. Click the Root Password option in the menu. Enter and confirm a root password, then click Done to return to the main menu. Click the Begin Installation button at the bottom right of the screen. Wait while the operating system is installed and configured, then click the Reboot System button to reboot the VM. Once the VM boots for the first time, click the License Information option in the menu. Check the I Accept checkbox, then click Done. Click the User Creation button in the menu. Enter the new user's full name and username, then check the Make this user administrator box and enter and confirm a password. Once completed, click the Done button. Click the Finish Configuration button at the bottom right of the screen. Once the login screen is displayed, click the username and log in with the password we just set. Welcome to Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. On the welcome screen, select the language, then click Next. Select or confirm your keyboard layout, then click Next. Choose whether to enable location services, then click Next. Then click Skip on the Online Accounts page. And finally, click the Start Using Red Hat Enterprise Linux button. Welcome to Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8, running as a VM in VirtualBox.